previous series, we told you how toddlers, children and individuals can set a record with India Book of Records. And now we will tell you how we assist organization, institution and corporates to set a phenomenal mass event record.
And it starts with one simple step, an inquiry.
Let's understand how you can establish your initial contact with us to begin your journey for setting the mass event record.
You can reach out to us in just 3 simple ways. Fill out the application form on our official website, directly call us at this number, or email us your record idea.
Once we receive your inquiry, our team connects with you in 7 working days to understand your vision and chart the next step. This is the conversation where we understand your vision, your expected participant count, your venue, and your timeline.
Think of this as a record consultation. We ask you the right question so that we can guide you in the right direction.
After the call, you will receive an official approval email from our end. This email will also have the details, including any existing record in the same category. So you know exactly what benchmark you are aiming to surpass.
Knowing your existing record is critical. It gives your event a clear, measurable target and sets the standard for a verified attempt.
Along with the approval, you will receive the comprehensive set of guidelines, tailored specifically according to the record category.
These outline exactly what evidence is required: participant count documentation, video footage and photographs, signed registers, and any category-specific proof.
Following these guidelines precisely is what makes the difference between a successful attempt and the one that cannot be ratified.
Next, an IBR adjudicator is assigned to your event. They are finalized based on the relevance to the record category and availability. On the day of the event, an official IBR adjudicator is present on site. Their role is to observe the attempt in real time, verify participant count, and ensure all conditions are met.
The moment your attempt is successfully completed, the record is established on the spot, and immediately after, a press release is drafted and issued with evidences shared via email and secure document link.
After ratification, your record achievement is shared across India Book of Records official channels, the social media platforms, the IBR website, and our TV shows.
But the recognition does not stop here. Your record is also featured in IBR Monthly Magazine and IBR Annual Book, a permanent printed testament to your achievement.
And for the most extraordinary achievements, those that truly inspire, selected records are featured in the exclusive IBR TV show, a recognition reserved for the records that goes beyond the number and tell a story.
That is the complete journey, from the first inquiry to the record that lives on in history. If your organization is ready to make a history,
Then reach out to us today.